Good evening, everyone, and thank you for logging on. I am the Weather Chief of the Forecaster and NESU's Weather Forecaster, Bobby Koenig, here with your winter storm update. You know, it is always fun when we have to track one of these winter storms. So I am going to get right into it with the Doppler radar. So now this is just, well, I actually have a loop up. There we go. So now I'm really focusing on southern Maine with this storm right now. I'm actually going to go into precision 3D radar, which I think is really cool and a really awesome tool. So if we scroll up the coast here, we do have this heavy pocket of rain that looks like it has just moved through Brunswick, stretching all the way from Lewiston through Wiscasset, Newcastle, Jefferson, just about to get into it, Washington as well, Union, Camden, Hope. They'll be seeing this very heavy rain / snow head their way in just a few minutes. So I'm actually going to switch it over to the bad radar. In fact, I can actually just leave that. No, I can't. Well, the reason why I call this one the bad radar is because it does a horrible job with the rain, like amount, like how heavy it's falling. It does really a horrible job with it, but it really gives you a good idea on where, like where the rain snow line is. But as of right now, it has pushed out the coast, Portland south, so we will need to update these snowfall totals because where you're seeing the snow right now, you're going to get a little more snow than you expected, and over down east, we'll definitely be seeing that rain-snow mix. And I keep on forgetting, I cannot have that in precision 3D when I do that. Alright, so I'm actually going to put up okay, so I need to take that down. Alright, so I'm actually going to switch back over to live Doppler. So I have actually just combined the two. So current weather and live Doppler. So I just combined them. We're actually going to go down in southern Maine here. And as you can see, most of the places down here are in the 30s, like 31 right here in North Waterboro. 30s up into the mountains, and I'll actually slide east for viewers in the east, and they're in the 20s, and with that mixing rain along the coast, we got 37 right now in Frenchboro, sorry about that, 28 right now in Jonesboro, just I click on two boroughs, and right now in Eustis it is 21, and I'm actually going to scoot up north here for a minute. Now these places are already down into the single digits, or yeah, like Clayton Lake, they're already down near, oh, that bone-chilling 4 degrees. Alright, yeah, I'm actually going to, I'm sorry, this is brand new system, so I'm still trying to work out the kinks. But yeah, if we pull out across New England, there we go. We got 30s and 40s across New England. And I mean, even pulling out even farther, yeah, it doesn't recognize it that far. Well, I mean, look at this. We got 60s in Arizona. And yeah, well, Alright, if I keep on doing this, then I'm just going to get completely away. Yeah, that seems like a good choice. Alright, I'm going to pull out across New England now and show you the, well, what was the latest Doppler radar imagery that is loading up right now. There we go. It has completely loaded, and now I will set this into motion. So basically, most of New England dealt with this storm today. We get to deal with it overnight, and as we zoom back into Maine, yeah, this is really just like a nasty storm. I mean, look at all this heavy rain that moved through southern Maine earlier. And then, I mean, even eastern Maine, they're about to get into it. Just the way that this band is forming, it's just like forming right over east, like Piscataquis County, right here. And I mean, northern Maine, they're just like getting into it. And that is only my New England loop. Here I am thinking it's... So I'd like to thank the National Weather Service for letting us use this technology, because without this, we really wouldn't. It'd be horrible tracking storms. So I'm actually loading the national loop right now. And actually, I can just switch that over to current radar. Yeah. Really not much going on over the rest of the country. There we go. Straighten out my view. Other than a little bit of rain down in Texas. But no, the real weather story is what we have going on right here in Maine. So I'm going to leave you now with Doppler radar. And in fact, I should really get like a show ready that'll just like take you through that will just like take you through Maine. Well, either way, I'm going to leave you with Doppler radar. So we thank you for tuning in, and have a nice night, everyone.